Level 6, Unit 9, multiplying two-digit numbers ending in 0 or 5. Unit 9.1, we are multiplying two-digit numbers ending in 0 by 2 through 9. Let's look at example A. I have 20 times 9. First step in our process, 9 times 0. Anything times 0 is 0. Then we will do 9 times 2, which is 18, for an answer of 180. Example B. 10 times what number equals 90? Well, if we look at our first step, we know that any number times 0 is 0, so that doesn't help us much. But we do know that what number times 1 would equal 9? That would be 9, so 9 is our missing number. Unit 9.2, multiplying two-digit numbers ending in 5 by 2 through 9. Example A. 6 times 5 is our first step. 5 times 6 is 30. Write down the 0, carry the 3. Then we have 6 times 8, which is 48, plus the 3 would give us 51 for an answer of 510. Example B. We have a missing number here. So let's start our process by multiplying the first two sets of numbers. 2 times 5 is 10. That's where the 0 comes from. We would carry the 1. So 2 times what number plus 1 equals 7? Well, if we take the 1 away, that means we are working with 6. And we know that 2 times 3 equals 6. Unit 9.3, multiplying two-digit numbers ending in 0 or 5 up to 50. Let's look at example A. 40 times 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 4 is 28 for an answer of 280. Example B. We have a missing number here, and when this number is missing we have to work backwards. So let's start off by looking at 9 times 3 is 27. How much did we have to add then? We had to add 4. So now we have the 4 and the 5 for a number of 45, and we know that 9 times 5 equals 45, so 5 is our missing number. Unit 9.4, multiplying two-digit numbers ending in 0 or 5 up to 80. Let's look at example A. We have a missing number in this problem. If we start our process, we know that any number times 0 is 0. So we have to look at the second step. What number times 8 equals 64? Our missing number, therefore, is 8. Let's look at example B. 5 times 5 is our first step, which is 25. So we write the 5 down, carry the 2. 5 times 7 is 35, plus the 2 equals 37 for an answer of 375. Unit 9.5, multiplying two-digit numbers ending in 0 or 5 up to 95. Example A, we have a missing number. So we're first going to look at the fact that we take 6 times 5. That is 30. We would carry the 3. We're going to take that 3 and subtract it from our 57. That gives us 54. So what number times 6 equals 54? Our answer is 9.